as you can see, here is the Polar Express train, the big train that we are gonna be riding inside. Here's what you gotta do. So first you gotta and that, and then you put, there it is, and then finally you put this there, and now we're moving. Let me check my instruction book. I do not have my instruction book. We are going very fast. So here's what you gotta do. You gotta put more in there. Okay, maybe we should just turn this back down to where it was. Okay, now it's making a noise. It's doing the noise that it does when it goes faster. Maybe if we put more water in, it will slow down because it's heavier. Uh-oh! Oh, Jesus. We're in a pickle now, aren't we? Uh-oh. Oh, no! Oh, it's going up. It's going up. And it's screeching a lot, and it's really loud, and I need to get off of here. That's what's gonna happen, guys. It's going to explode. It's gonna explode really loud, and we don't want that. We want to be quiet. So we're gonna tell the train to stop with the control remote. The remote control. Okay, guys. I know it's funny to crash trains, but we got it. We were almost there.